I am exploring three GED math topics: statistics, probability, and combinations. In this video, there are worked out examples for each topic. I want to assure you that I am highly qualified and highly motivated to help you earn your GED. Let's dive into the problems. Please pause the video when each new problem comes up so you can attempt it if you desire, prior to looking at my solutions and explanations. I would love for you to share your questions, your comments, and your success stories as you work through these problems. The first example is a statistics problem dealing with mean. The mean of 50 test scores was calculated as 88, but it turned out that one of the scores was misread as 94, but it was 69. What is the mean? There is a direct method to solve this problem. I want you to try that if you know what it is and share in the comments. I'm going to look at the detailed approach. When you want to recalculate a mean, you can begin by getting the total score. The total score is calculated by multiplying the number of results by the average. After calculating this total score, subtract the mistake, which is 25 points, to get the new total and divide that by 50. I hope you notice in this problem that the mean had to be a number less than 88 because the score was reduced from 94 to 69. Here's a second example for mean or average. They are synonymous. The table shows the number of students in the algebra, biology, and calculus classes along with their respective average scores on final exams. What is the weighted average score across the three classes, rounded to the nearest whole number? First, you want to get the total points scored for each class, multiply the number of students by the average, add those three results together, then take these total points and divide by the total number of students, which is 160 for the students, 45 plus 55 plus 60. Now we have an example for median. Median is the middle number. To find the median, you would want to list out all of the values. There are 150 ratings of 1, so imagine writing the number of 1 down 150 times, then writing the number 2 130 times, then writing the number 3 110 times, then writing the number 4 100 times, finally writing the number 5 310 times. In this list going across with 800 numbers, the middle value will be 4. Here's an example for probability. With probability, you are looking for the numerator to be the number of outcomes you seek, and the denominator is the total possible outcomes. You are seeking hearts. Hearts represent one suit, and there are 4 total suits on a deck of cards. 1/4 of your cards will be heart. Probability that the card is a heart, 1/4. The second example of probability: what is the probability of selecting a male from a group of 4 males and 8 females? Four males is your numerator. That's what you're looking to get. 12 people total, the 4 plus 8. 4 over 12 reduces to 1 over 3. Answer choice B, 1/2, is obviously eliminated because there are not an equal number of males and females to give you a half or 50% probability. Example 3, 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability of getting a sum of 6 or 9? Now with this problem, many people prefer to make a table. With this table, you see that there are 36 unique possible outcomes. There are 5 outcomes that add up to 6, and there are 4 outcomes that add up to 9. Did you know that the word sum means the result of adding? 9 over 36 reduces to 1/4. Here is the final example for probability. Now with this problem, to find the probability of 2 events that do not depend on one another, you multiply the probabilities to get your result. 0.1 times 0.15. Next, we will look at examples on combinations. Example 1. How many different passcodes can be formed from the letters A, B, C, and D if each letter can be used only once? There are 4 possibilities for the first lot. Once that letter is used, there are now only 3 possibilities for the next lot. Once that second letter is used, you're down to 2 possibilities for the third, and finally 1 for the fourth. The total combinations will be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. And the second example for combinations. How many different committees of 3 people can be formed by selecting from a group of 5 people? There is a formula for solving this. Do you know the formula? I have it at the bottom. Otherwise, you can make a diagram or a list of the possibilities. Note, for example, the group A, B, and C is actually the same as the group B, C, and A. It will be the same people involved. So do not repeat groups. This is how you can contact me or connect with me. I look forward to hearing from you.